Hi, good afternoon. This is Camille Sams, your certified mortgage planner. And I wanted to take a moment to discuss the importance of making sure that you are looking at your mortgage statements every month when they come in. Whether they come in the mail, you get a paper statement, or if they're online, if you have the mobile app, which is awesome if you have a lender that has a mobile app, which we do. Caliber has a mobile app. I want to make sure that you understand the importance of reviewing those statements every month, kind of like your bank statement. You take a look at it. I know, we're all online banking these days, and we really don't pay attention to those statements. You don't balance your checkbook quite the way we used to, maybe aging myself. But, it's important that you look over the information and you make sure that it's accurate, and you just view, if you do have an impound account, make sure that you're viewing the escrow section of your statement. You're paying attention to what the lender is paying on your behalf, how much they're collecting every month, and making sure that when you're making that mortgage payment, that it is including those impounds that you have set up, or that escrow account that you set up at the beginning when you either purchased or refinanced your home. Because often, unfortunately, mistakes do happen. And if your servicing gets transferred, meaning you're no longer making payment to one company, you're now making a payment to another company, and maybe you find that the new company didn't transfer the escrows over properly and they're sending you tax bills. If you're looking at your statements when you're receiving them on a monthly basis, you'll be able to see the activity that's going through that statement, through your accounts. You'll be able to see if the lender is collecting it properly. And then when you do get a new statement from a new lender, you can reference your old one. So if you're looking at them online, I advise you to download them every month, save them onto your computer. If you're doing them if you're receiving paper statements, collect them, keep them for the year. And then if you are going to shred and discard them, at least keep the last statement for the year, because it's going to include a lot of year-end totals for you, so that in the event that it does get transferred over, or you can use that for your tax purposes, maybe you'll receive your mortgage interest tax statement in the mail, and it's not the same as what you're showing on your last statement. We can't rely everything on computers. So much of this stuff is computer generated these days. So it's important that you have your backup documentation. You're the checks and balances for your lender. So you want to make sure that you're on top of it. You have your paperwork all neat, and together, and you're reviewing what you're receiving, so that if a problem arises, you know how to handle it and you have the supporting documentation to back it up. Alrighty, my name is Camille. Please send me any questions, any comments, anything that I can help, and I look forward to speaking with you soon.